Okay, you know what campground booking systems need? They need to, in tandem with your booking, give their event schedule. So that way, when you book at a campground and they have some special event going on that weekend, you know what it is so that you can choose whether you want to participate in that event. I say that because we booked this camp spot through CampSpot in Allstay's app, and I was expecting a quiet, peaceful night with our friends, David and Justin, and their schoolie around a campfire. But instead, what we got was demolition derbies all night and even when the derby stopped around 10, the partying kept going. I don't know what time. It was late. So I'm not saying that I wouldn't be on board for a demolition derby on the weekends, but I am saying I would like the choice to know if it's happening or not before I do the booking. Anyway, happy Sunday, everyone.